Hey, I'm Kenneth.
Hi, I'm Arshad.
Hi, I'm Sayaf.
Hi, I'm Sharmila.
We are from IIT, affiliated to University of Westminster, UK, and we are
Workouts.
Are you tired of playing basic games? Do you want a better experience, gaming experience with both education and enthusiasm? Then we have what you need. Do you know that continued repetition movement on the keyboard causes tunnel carpal syndrome by fluid retention? Then how about a voice operation game based on heavily voice commands? There's a need for a better gaming experience with heavy voice commands. This is an area which not a lot of people have addressed. So considering the market segment, which is all individuals above the age of 15, and we are hoping this will be a wonderful opportunity for us to address this game to the differently able. If you could give them a moment for them to forget themselves and enjoy, I think that would be that alone would be a huge achievement and a better investment as well. Getting deep down, this game will be a very simple game with easy instructions and easy navigations. This game is all about a pirate is getting into trouble and along his way to his treasure, unexpectedly, he will gain score by collecting money bags, rum and cannon speed. We are planning to make 4 environments for this game, 3D attractive environments. As mentioned earlier, this game operates on heavy voice commands. As when the user says jump, the character will jump.
When the user says left, the character will move left.
Exactly, and we are planning. As the journey goes on, there will be IT questions popping up at certain locations where the user have to answer on the latest IT question. We are going to categorize them as 2 different age groups. So when you answer that, if you get the correct answer, your score will increase. Well, we are going to be very youthful, and at the point where the character crashes, we are going to capture a photo of the user automatically and display it with the high score.
Yeah.
We will be providing with an additional option of multiplayer where 2 players are competing for the same treasure through LAN connections. And talking about the special games, when you get rum, you will run in a dizzy pace. And when you get cannon speed, you will get high speed with no obstacles. And in case if you just don't spell the words right, like jump or like go left, the character will be like what and all.
Yeah, when the words are not mentioned in the correct way, then the character will be so interactive and he'll turn to us and he'll ask, what are you saying? I can understand. And while he's saying that, the game will slow down a bit so the user can navigate more easily. Talking of the technology side, this game is based on Windows platform. That means any PC or tablet which has Windows 8 platform can enjoy this experience. Well, since the game is prioritized heavily on voice command based operation, not forgetting there will be keyboard operation option as well, we see a drawback of capturing the exact words, and therefore to overcome this, we are going to use Throat mics with the Bluetooth option where the application grab the exact words even in a noisy environment. We are also planning to use Unreal Engine as the game development tool. Talking of the implementation, first we are going to study.
Actually, we have already started studying about 3D gaming.
Collaborating with programming and moving forward in creating use case diagrams and activity diagrams. Second, we are planning to create a model of the game first, just as a prototype of the game where we will get to see how the voice option will work and its effect on the overall gaming experience. Number 3, then moving forward, we will be creating the environment with 3D graphics and customizing the characters and icons. Then we will be adding single player normal game feature which will give us standard gaming operations. Finally, when all is performing quite well, we are planning to add multiplayer features to the game. The game will be addressing a special target market and a clear problem where no one still have provided and filled the gap. Therefore, we can assure the high demand for this game, considering the percentage of youth and the whole percentage of differently able personas. This game will not be some game you have in the market which is designed for entertainment only. Our game covers both the aspects of entertainment and education, with the user acquiring the knowledge unexpectedly in some certain areas of the game. And as for it is with easy instructions and easy navigations, this game will have an attractive effect on the overall gaming experience.
Expect the unexpected.